What's up, guys, and welcome back to the adventures of Garrett and Ollie. Today it's supposed to snow. It's kind of flurrying right now, but we're gonna try to go on a little bit of a hike today. I'm usually not much of a hiker, but we're gonna go check out the Inyo craters. Alright, so we're loading up, about to head to the trail. It's a pretty short trail, it's only like 1.6 miles, but the road to get to the trailhead closes in the wintertime, and I don't know if it's open or not right now. So we may have to park out on the main road, and then it's like a 1.25 mile walk to the trailhead. So might add 2.5 miles to the whole thing, but we'll go see. Still kind of flurrying. Hopefully it doesn't snow too crazy hard, or if it does, hopefully it puts down a lot of snow and then we can go ride some POW. But I'm gonna pack enough stuff that hopefully I'm prepared for whatever the weather decides to do while we're out there. Ollie is ready to go on a walk. Should we go on a hike today? He's ready to go, so let's head. We just made it onto the dirt road, and I don't see any gates. It looks like it might be covered in snow up there though. We may have to park here and walk the rest of the way. All right, so we made it So we made it a ways up the road and got to a kind of sketchy spot, and I don't feel like getting my truck stuck. Maybe I'll make it through it, but I don't want to risk it because it's snowing and I don't want to get stranded out in the middle of a snowstorm, and there's no service out here and there's nobody out here to pull me out if I need. So we're not gonna risk it. We'll just walk it. Got nothing better to do today. But yeah, I'm gonna pack my bag and head out. Ollie's ready to go. He's already going. This is the sketchy part I wasn't so sure about. And it's probably a good idea. I don't know if we could have made it through this part. So we're gonna hike it. So I got the bag packed. We're headed out. The snow seems to be picking up a little bit. Hopefully we don't get stuck in a whiteout, but that might be exciting. I think I got enough clothes on to stay warm. I got my bogs on, so my feet are ready for whatever life throws at me. Ollie has all the energy in the world. So it'll be an adventure, it'll be fun. Hopefully they're cool looking. Going this way. This energy level is through the roof today. Got half a mile left of the road and then we will be to the trail. We're right here. Good thing I brought the bogs. Ooh, it's pretty deep. Ollie, hey, gotta go this way. Look at the sign. Come on, it's this way. Now we are here. I'm pretty sure this is the beginning of the actual trail. And we're going right there. I want to see the Inyo Crater Lakes. We made it to the trail. Hiking trail only. Hopefully this is the right one. Well, let's go find out, Ollie. Come on. Well, let's go. I'm coming. It's getting pretty windy up here. Snow's coming down sideways. Kind of protecting the trees. Up above the trees, that looks a little scary. Hopefully we don't break out above them and be out in the wind. That'll be cold. Think we made it. Pretty sure this is one of the craters. Can't see very well. It's a little snowy. There's another one right over here, I believe. Go see if we can see that one any better. There's a picnic table up here. Be a nice place to stop and have a little picnic if it wasn't like this outside. It's a little cold and windy and snowy. Oh yeah, you can see this one a little better. It's really cold though. Wanna go for a swim, Ollie? Let's go up to the other one. Walk around, see if we can get a view of the lake down in this one. There's a lot more trees in this one kind of hiding it. Maybe if we walk around it'll open up and we can see. Let's go find out, Ollie. You can kind of see the lake right there. Ollie, what are you doing? Come here, buddy. He's ready to keep going. I'm about ready to head back. It's cold up here and wind, snow blowing sideways. Come on, Ollie, this way. There it comes. Come on, let's go. This way. Come on. Ollie, this way. Yeah, let's go. Let's head back down so we can get out of this wind. My hands are frozen. Let's go. All right, we made it back into the trees, so we're out of the wind a little bit. We're headed back down. I'm kind of glad we couldn't drive clear up to the trailhead because that would have been a really short walk. It seemed like we just barely got off the road and now we're already at the craters. So it made it a little bit better walk for Ollie to go all the way up the road. Let's go this way. Just like that, we're back to the road. It's a really short hike if you can pull up clear to this parking lot. Not much of a hike, just a little jaunt up the hill. Then you're there. So you park right here. right, we made it back to the truck. Right there. It was like 3.6 miles. Wasn't too bad at all. A little chilly and windy and snowy up on top, but once down in the trees, it wasn't bad at all. So most of the hike wasn't too bad. But we made it back. Ollie's not ready to be done. That was not long enough for him. It's long enough for me though. All right, so we're back in the truck, and I'm gonna head to the hot springs because soaking in a hot spring sounds nice after that cold hike.